Question number 5. Simplify log expression. Log base 2, 2x minus 1 minus 4 log base 4x squared plus 3 log base 2x. So this is an expression. So in order to simplify, we need to make sure they are having the same base. Now we are going to change a base 4 to base 2. So how to change a base is we write a new base, log base 2, log base 2. And then we just substitute x squared and the 4. So we will change a base by writing the new base twice up and down. And then the x squared is above. And the old base now will be at the denominator. Right, so log 2, 4 is always a number. It's log base 2, 2, 2. So it's equivalent to 2. So after we change a base, we always expect the numerator is a number. So now, since the base are the same, we can simplify the logarithm expression. So we can cut the 2 and the 4, simplify, become 2. So now log 2, 2x minus 1. And before we divide them, the 2 we have to raise up, become log 2x power 4. And then the 3 also we have to raise up. It become plus log base 2x power 3. Now, after we simplify, so that the in front of the log there is always 1, we can divide. We can use a law, right? Minus become divide x power 4. We don't have to write the base, okay? We just write the number in the bracket and then x power 3. So the base only write once, log base 2. Finally, we can join them, 2x minus 1 divided by x power 4 times x power 3, and it can be simplified further, will be log base 2, 2x minus 1 over x, because the x4 is x power 3 times x. So we cancel out the x power 3. So the answer looks very simpler like this, 2x minus 1 over x. So we are going to use this simplest expression in solving logarithm equation in part B. So double check, when there is a minus, we always divide. When there is a plus, we always multiply. But be very careful, the log base 2 only write once. Right? So this is the answer for part A. Now let's move on to part B. For part B, let's read the question. Hence, solve the following equation. That means when we see hence, we have to use the answer in part A and solve. So for the left hand side, we have simplified to the simplest form, and we are getting the answer is log base 2, 2x minus 1 over x, right? So we equate this one equal to -1. And how to solve this? I'm sure you know how to solve. There are two ways. Either you use a basic law of index and log. So we will make the base the same also can. So I'm making the base the same. So -1 is log base 2, 2 -1. -1 log base 2, 2 is -1, right? So since both sides are having the same base, so 2x minus 1 over x equal to 1 over 2. That means I will solve this equation, and then 4x minus 2 equal to x. So I will get 3x equal to 2, and x is equal to 2 over 3. So basically, how to give you marks in exam is you must change your base. From base 4, you change to base 2. That will be entitled for 1 mark, changing base. And after the base being changed, you must know how to simplify like this. You must show how you cancel out the x power 3 with x power 4, left only x. The steps is very important, right? So you must also know how to use a product law to combine the log into single logarithm. And then finally for part B, you just equate 2x minus 1 over x equal to 1 over 2, and you solve the x.